Hi friends, this is Krishna, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome. As you've seen, today I've made a paper airplane. And right now it looks like there's just wings, but there's actually a bald eagle inside. This is something that we've tried out new. We've made an origami video. And as you've known, this is a drawing channel. But we want to try something new out. I hope you really enjoy this video. And as you've seen, it's not just a boring paper airplane, it does have some drawing into it. And if you would like to make this cool paper airplane with me, make sure to keep on watching this video. Make sure to fly high and make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin. We're going to fold our paper to the middle. Make sure your middle line is not that crooked, like if I make it too far, then our airplane won't fly that well. Have you ever flown on a crooked plane before? If you fly on it, then the plane would crash or it wouldn't fly that well. So we need to make sure our line's at the center. And if you want, if I'm going too fast for this video, then you can always pause step by step and do it in your own pace. Now we're gonna make one triangle here. So we're gonna make it connecting to the center line, and then we fold. And then we'll make another triangle like that, and we're gonna connect that one to the center line too. So if you're having a problem, you can just unfold it and fold it back again. And now we'll do the same thing on this side. Make sure they meet the center line. Now we're gonna get this whole triangle piece and make sure you don't fold it like this. We don't want it to be a perfect triangle. We want the triangle to go a bit downwards. And then we fold. And when you're done with that, make sure you check if this point, the point of the triangle, or triangle, is meeting with the center line. Because we don't want our plane to be crooked, as I said. Make sure everything is all nice and folded. And now, we're going to fold these two pieces into a triangle. So like we did when we opened up, when our paper was like this, we folded one triangle here and one triangle here. We're going to do the same thing. And again, make sure your triangles meet the baseline, or center line. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. When you're done with that, you see this little triangle flap? You can pull that up and then fold it. And again, you want the point of the triangle to meet this center line. And now when you're done with that, we need to make sure this is all folded again. And now we're gonna get our paper and we're gonna fold it from the baseline. So it's like this trapezoid shape. Now we're gonna fold this piece down. Now we're gonna get this whole piece. We're gonna go from this corner and we're gonna fold down. Now you can see that this kind of looks like a plane wing because it is. We're gonna fold that. And now we'll flip our page over and do the same thing on the other side to make the other wing. Make sure whenever you fold this, the little point of the plane is not crooked, because if it's more crooked, then your plane won't fly that straight or well. As you know, that Kriji Art is a coloring and drawing channel. This is the first time we've made origami on this channel, and I've had a lot of fun doing it. But this airplane looks very dull, and I want to make it colorful. So, I'm gonna get out my markers and I'm gonna make a little bird or an eagle on it. So it looks way more colorful. If you want, you can pause this section of the video and you can make your own design on this plane. Let's start coloring.